Hello, my dear children. Welcome back after a short academic break. Hope you are all fine and safe. Do you remember what we learned in history? We learned about history, the need to study history, the various civilizations that arose on the banks of rivers, the Mesopotamian civilization, is it? Now let's see what is history. History is the study of the past. In history, we study about the past life of the people. We come to know about the reigns of various kings, their achievements, and their conquests. Now let us see what a civilization is. Civilization means a group of people living in a civilized and organized manner, or it can be defined as the process by which a society develops its own culture and institutions. Now shall we see the major river valley civilizations? They are Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization, and Harappan civilization. Why they are called river valley civilization? They are called river valley civilizations because these civilizations arose on the banks of rivers. Why did civilizations arise on the banks of rivers? Rivers were the main source of water for agriculture, drinking, and other purposes. Rivers served as the main source of trade and transport. River valleys were fertile for growing crops. Rivers served as a source for fishing as an occupation. Do you remember the meaning of the word Mesopotamia? The word Mesopotamia means land between two rivers. Here, which are the two rivers? Euphrates and Tigris. Now let's try to answer these questions. What is history? Why do we study history? What is a civilization? What are the major river valley civilizations? Why are they called river valley civilizations? Why did civilizations arise on the banks of rivers? Try to find out answers for these questions and write down in your classwork. Till we meet again, bye.